Hello, welcome to my presentation on AR Dungeon Crawler that I worked on with my teammates Danny Chung and Matthew Rubber. We built this 2D game with an open source game engine, Godot. During the second half of the project, my responsibilities include implementing pathfinding algorithm, build maze generation, and some starting and ending game screen works. I will go through some of the code file and then demo the game in action to showcase my work. In Godot, the navigation 2D node has a building function called getSimplePath that takes a starting point and an ending point and returns the path between the two given points in the form of an array of points in local coordinate space. So I didn't actually need to come out with some algorithms like a die strat or A start, but it was a big struggle for me to get this functionality to work because I had to work with some game settings that I wasn't so familiar with. But I was able to get this functionality integrated with some help from my teammates. And here's the file for maze generation script. And so the maze generation algorithm is essentially a backtracking algorithm, and it generates the walls and walkable areas randomly. And when the user click on the maze generation during the initial screen, they will be able to play in a randomly generated maze. And now let me showcase my work. So I'm gonna click on play randomly generated room, right? And I'm gonna select this archer. As you can see, right? And user is playing in this maze, right? And to show that it is being randomly generated, I can try to enter the game again. Now you see that, okay, it's a complete different map, right? So yeah, so every time user will be able to play in a different map. So that's essentially what the maze generation is. And as you can see, all the enemies are tracing after the player, right? And so that was the pathfinding algorithm. So as you can see now, the game is over, right? And users are given the option to play again with the randomly generated maze, and they will be able to play the game with full health again. And that's it for my presentation. And thank you.